Did you know you can invest in real estate and earn double-digit returns without owning or managing single property? It's true. And in this video, I'm going to show you how middle income earners with a moderate amount of savings can start building wealth today by becoming just a private money lender in a short few steps. You don't need millions, just the right strategy. For middle income earners, traditional investments like saving accounts or stocks don't always offer security or growth you need to outpace the inflation or prepare for retirement. Private money lending bridges that gap. Instead of navigating tenant issues, market risk, or property management, you can partner with experienced real estate investors like me and let your money work for you. It's an opportunity to earn predictable high returns backed by real estate. Imagine your savings growing steadily while you sit back and let the professionals do all the heavy lifting. So to get after this, what I want to kind of do is go over things in steps. Private money lenders are individuals just like you who fund real estate deals in exchange for a fixed return. These loans are often short-term, secured by property itself, making them a lower risk option compared to other investments. For example, let's say I'm redeveloping a home in Dallas and I need about $100,000 for the renovations. I would come to you as the lender. You would provide me the funds, and in return, you receive a set interest rate, let's say about 10%. And the property acts as your collateral. If the deal goes sideways, your investment is protected. Another portion of this, starting small. Diversify over time. One of the biggest myths about private money lending is that you need a fortune to get started. That's not true. Many deals can be funded with as little as $10,000 to $50,000. Start with one deal, see how the process works, and grow from there. The beauty of private lending is that you can scale your investments over time, using interest payments from one deal to fund the next. By diversifying your investments across multiple deals, you minimize risk while maximizing your returns. Another key thing is partnering with experienced investors. This is the most important step. Private money lending works best when you partner with trustworthy, experienced real estate investors who know how to find and execute profitable deals. So at S&N Real Estate Investments, we specialize in identifying undervalued properties, revitalizing neighborhoods, and delivering strong returns for our lenders. By working with professionals, pretty much get that ease of peace of mind, knowing your investment is in capable hands. Plus, you'll get transparency throughout the process, detailed updates on the projects, timelines, and financial outcomes. So here's why private money lending stands out. Unlike the volatility of the stock market, the private lending offers a predictable return. You're not waiting on market swings or praying for dividends. Instead, you earn a steady, agreed-upon return. Plus, you're investing in something that's tangible, a real property. And unlike being a landlord, there's no tenants to deal with, no 3 a.m. plumbing emergencies, and no property management headaches. Let me give you an example. A recent private money lender partnered with us, funded a renovation project we had here in Oahu. They invested $50,000 with a 12% return over 12 months. The property was successful and it was sold. They walked away with $56,000. That's $6,000 in pure profit without lifting a finger. The entire time, their investment was secured by a property, ensuring their money was protected. These are the kinds of opportunities we offer to lenders who want their savings to work harder. So, is real estate a good investment for someone with a moderate income? Absolutely. But you don't have to buy the property yourself. Private money lending lets you tap into the wealth building potential of real estate without the stress of ownership. You can earn steady returns backed by real estate without partnering with experts to handle the details. If this sounds like an investment strategy you'll like to explore, let's talk. We can schedule a call. The link will be below to learn more about how you can start earning that passive income today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. If you found the video helpful, I'll see you on the next video where we'll talk about how to spot most profitable real estate deals. Aloha.